Hello class 8. I am Rashid Khan over here from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here we have to study about the light, and the topic will be the multiple image. How these multiple images get created, we can get how these number of image are multiple image. Here is the number of images may be defined as when there is the reflections takes place more than two reflecting surfaces, or might be there are the number of reflecting surfaces on which there is a reflections takes place. So the multiple reflections causes the multiple images. If you see, there are the two images formed by the two mirrors or elsewhere the two cameras. So what will be the exact position by which, or what will be the causes to produce such images? This can be caused only due to the reflecting surfaces when placed in a different manners and a different angles. So we can say that the multiple images can cause due to the multiple surface, that is the reflecting surfaces. These reflecting surfaces that reflect the light into the different or the many directions. So these directions or these reflections can causes their impression or the images in the form of a multiple images. You can see the multiple images can be measured, or number of images can be measured by a formula given as, this formula is given as the number of images is equal to 360 degree upon the angle on which mirror placed -1. Angle between the mirror, that means it can be also considered as angle between the mirror, and this can be considered as, suppose if there is a 360 degree and the angle between the mirror is 180 degree, so what will happen? So the one image only form. If it is placed at 90 degree, so what will happen? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. If it is placed at 90 degrees, so 3 images may form. If it is placed 45 degree, so what will happen? 8 minus 1, that is 7 images forms. If it is placed at the field 360 upon 0, that is considered to be infinite. Now if it is fixed at position 60 degree, 360 upon 60 minus 1, 60 minus 1, that is 59 images are formed. So this one is the way by which we can consider about that the multiple images. Next one is we can say what is actually, that is a kaleidoscope. It is called as a kaleidoscope. What is the kaleidoscope? Known as Kaleidoscope is a device which is already used in about 250 years ago. But now after the research and regeneration, that means refined by a scientist known as Stieberts, David Stieberts, or it is also known as the device which can be refined by the scientist in 1816 by Brewster, by Stewart Brewster. So it can be implemented as a standard manner. How it can be placed? This can be placed in such a manner that is a rectangular, this one is the rectangular surfaces may be created in which each angle considered to be as 60 degrees, and due to which there are the number of multiple images formed. If each angle is about to 60 degree, so there will be the multiple images formed, and this can be placed in a hollow tray like structure in which it is placed, and it is a form of like this manner. This can be placed somewhat like this. If it can be shown, so there are the multiple images can form, and due to which it can be very useful for find out about that the very minute things like the carpet weaver that can be used to kaleidoscope to maintain the designs or to maintain new design, a new format of the design. This can be generated or created by the using kaleidoscope. Now the next one is sunlight. Sunlight, white or colored. White or colored. It is white or colored. So we can say it is seem to be us as a white, but actually it has the 7 colors. It has the band of a 7 color. How it can be shown? This can be proved by the prism. If you have a prism, so when the light falls on the prism, so there will be a deviation of a light takes place, and this deviation creates a changes in a color by which we can easily go through about that the study about that the colors. And even you have seen there is a rainbow occurs at the rainy season. Why it is so? Why? Because when the water vapors, so the light or the sunlight has 7 color in it. What are these color known as? These color are called as Vibgyor. What are these Vibgyor? Vibgyor, in which V is considered as violet, I is here stand for indigo, B is here stand for blue, then G is stand here for green, and Y is here for yellow. O is considered to be orange, and R is here for red. So these are what actually? Violet, violet, indigo, blue, green, green, yellow, orange, orange, then red. These are the 7 colors. How these colors are created, how these colors are deviated? We know that very well. The light travels from a lighter medium to the denser medium, from a air to the glass. Why? Because the prism is formed by the glass. So here is a two distinct or a different medium on which the light travels. So what will happen when these lights are travel from a prism or from a glass prism? When these glass prism placed on the way of the light, what will happen? Firstly, it's a white light complete, and this medium is, what is this medium called? This is the air, and that one is called as a glass. This is the glass. What will be happen then when this light falls on it? Due to falling of this light on a prism, can be scattered in different 7 different colors. What are these colors are known? These colors are known as band of a color, or it is called as spectrum. How these spectrum represented as? Why? Because here is first color called as indigo. So the indigo, violet, then second color indigo, first color is violet, second is indigo. Next is blue. It is blue, then green, it is green. Now yellow, yellow. Now red, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, red, then orange, then red. This is the band of color. This is 7 color in a band that is called as spectrum. This one is known as spectrum. And this is how this can be produced by when it is go through from a surface or from the sources of prism. So there can be a light on which color this light is. This light is about to white in color. So the white color light gets slightly deviated. When it gets deviated, this is the white light. When moved in it, then it can be bent slightly. Why? Because this is the air, that is a lighter medium, and glass, it is a denser medium. And again when it come back into the air, that is also a lighter medium. So first of all, the air, the light goes in the same direction and then it bends towards, and from then now it can be completely bends into the band of colors. So we could say that if it is a triangle or a glass prism, so what will exact happen to this? The air which moves here slightly bent due to the denser medium. Glass prism is a denser medium on which it can be firstly moved. So again it can be come to its way. So this is about that the light which we can be find in its proper color. Now here Newton make a disc that is called as a Newton disc, in which these 7 colors are created, are painted 7 colors, and when it moves rapidly, when the colors could not be shown. So why? Because we can say that here the light color we can observe. This is all about that the light. We can continue this one to the next.